Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing really well. So this is video number 2. I think I'm going to be doing another one after this. I think that's going to be more skincare related, just because influencers have been asking me about two skincare products, so I need to see what my thoughts are on them. So that will be like a first impression. But anyway, let's get into this one. So I got an order from TikTok shop today, and I've got 2 more orders coming from TikTok shop and 1 coming from Makeup Revolution. So you'll see me on here quite a few times over the next week. So looks like this. So I've been seeing this for quite a while. This really should be on my other channel, like my hair journey channel. I think I'll put it over there as well. So over on TikTok I've got another page called Embracing My Curls, so this is just going to get transferred over there as well as on my YT page as well. So I know Nature Spell do one, but I decided to go with, it's called Bare Anatomy Nature and Science Rosemary and Rice Water Hair Growth Spray. It's alcohol free, sulfate free, so that sounds pretty good in itself. It supports hair growth and thickness. I don't need my hair any thicker. Look at this, guys. Look, the volume of it is just crazy, but it's been taking me a really long time to grow it out. I mean, I've been using, it's kind of the equivalent of a bounce curl brush. At the moment I'm not using that brush because the curls just bounce up. It feels like it's growing now, not just because I'm not using the brush, but it just feels like longer, so I'm not going to continue to use that brush for a while. So I do want to try this. It was $9.99, so it was $9.99 originally, and it went down to £6.99. I had a £3 voucher, so I decided to use that. It's 200 mils, 6.76 fluid ounces. It says it's a clean and sustainable efficiency. Rosemary, an antioxidant that supports hair growth and controls hair fall. Rice water, a starch that promotes faster hair growth and enhances smoothness. Why Nature and Science. Backed by nature's ingredients and rigorous scientific research, this hair care range combines the best of both worlds. Every formula is dedicated to ensure maximum efficiency and transparency. Now, I don't know if they do shampoos and conditioners like Nature Spell do. I'll have to look into that. It says works best, yeah they do, works best with any Bare Anatomy shampoo, conditioner and serum. So they do all those kind of products. I'll have to look into how much they are, but they always say use like for like, don't they? I mean, I feel like that's them trying to get our money, but that's whatever. I just wanted to try this. And directions for use are: press the button to unlock and shake well, spray evenly onto the scalp and hair length, massage gently, leave it, let it absorb, no need to rinse, use daily for optimal results. So what they recommend, this is the last step. So you do your hair oiling, which I've not been able to do just because my arm will only go up a certain way because of my, I don't think they know what it is. I don't think they know if it's a torn rotator cuff or a frozen shoulder. I'm still looking into getting to the bottom of that. I want a scan, to be honest. But anyway, shampoo, conditioner, and of course they'd recommend their own shampoo and conditioner, and they've probably got their own hair oil as well. And then this as a last step, Rosemary and Rice Water Hair Growth Spray. Bare Anatomy, powered by Innovist, an innovation powerhouse that formulates products which are scientifically proven to show results. Every product goes through extensive testing and clinical trials and adheres to the European standards of safety. Now, my hairdresser wouldn't believe in products like this. She thinks it's just the placebo effect. Well, we'll find out, won't we? And then the performance, it says it helps hair appear thicker, helps strengthen roots for fuller hair, none to maintain hair density, helps nourish hair to prevent hair breakage, supports in reducing itchiness from scalp, calms the scalp and helps in maintaining a balanced environment, conditions dry, dull hair, helps improve hair and gives natural shine over time. Lightweight, water-like formula, feels light on the hair and absorbs easily without build-up. Now, what I like about this is obviously you put it on after you've washed your hair, which I'm going to do tomorrow. I might actually give my thoughts on it here, plus on my embracing my curls, and then you do it daily. So we will see some results, hopefully. I'm going to show you what the bottle looks like. So it's just one of those ones. Oh, you can smell the lavender. The rosemary then, because it doesn't have lavender in it, does it? Let's take the plastic off it. Sorry, I just had to get some scissors. I hope this isn't leaking. Why can I smell the rosemary so strong? It's like very, very potent. So that's the bottle there. That's actually a pretty cool bottle. It's pretty nice. So what did it say to open it? Right, I'm never any good at these things, but it's saying press that to unlock it. Right, yeah, and then it says on, so, okay. That seems simple enough. Is it though? Yeah. It's got a nice little sprayer. Let me know, guys, if you've tried this, and especially let me know if you've got naturally curly hair like I do. Oh, it smells nice though, and I don't normally like things like this. Like, I've got a lavender pillow spray and I don't really like it. I don't like lavender, and I know this isn't lavender. Now it's getting it back in. Right, it's rosemary, isn't it? I'll let you know if it's worth buying. If you do buy it, I would definitely buy it on a sale price, because we all want money off, don't we? Especially in this current climate that we're living in. But yeah, again, that's what it looks like. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon.